Oh, you fucking hate me? Let's be real, motherfucker. What you hate in me is the shit you wish you fucking had in you. That confidence, that I don't give a fuck energy, the balls to run my fucking mouth without losing a single second of sleep over it. Yeah, that's the shit that fucks with your head, cause deep down you wish you could do the fucking same. What I got that you don't, that shit burns your fragile ass ego, doesn't it? You see me walking around, owning my shit, speaking my fucking mind, and it pisses you the fuck off, because you can't. You're too fucking busy sucking up, kissing ass, and living inside whatever sad little box the world puts you in. Me? I burned that fucking box to the ground and pissed on the ashes. So keep hating, motherfucker. Keep crying like a little bitch and keep throwing your little tantrums like the spineless motherfucker you are. But just know, every time you talk shit, it's cause you're a jealous motherfucker pissed off that you're too fucking weak to do what I do without breaking a fucking sweat. Keep fucking shit up and spread chaos like a boss.